Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Miss.Automation.Tester, where we learn Java in the most fun, story filled, and practical way possible. In the previous video, we learned what Java is and why it's everywhere. But remember what I said at the end? That there were languages before Java like C and C++. And if these languages were already super powerful, why did we need Java then? Wasn't the world doing just fine without it? Well, not really. Get ready because today we are going back to the chaotic era before Java existed. Because back then, programming felt like building a spaceship. One tiny mistake and boom, everything crashed. Developers were frustrated. They'd spend months writing thousands of lines of C or C++ code only to watch it fail on another computer or crash without warning. That pain, that endless debugging gave birth to a revolutionary idea called Java. So, in today's video, we will uncover why C and C++ became so challenging and how Java emerged as the perfect solution. You see, C and C++ gave programmers direct control over memory. That's great for performance but also terrifying because now you had to handle memory manually, not the compiler, you. And that's where chaos began. Specific problems that programmer faced with manual memory management and pointers are as specified. First is memory leak. A memory leak happens when a programmer allocates memory but forgets to free it when they are done. This is like checking out a book from the library and never returning it. Over time, the program consumes more and more memory until there's none left for the system. This can cause the program to slow down and eventually crash. Dangling pointers. A dangling pointer is a pointer that points to a memory location that has already been deallocated. क्या हुआ नहीं समझे? Okay, imagine a street map that still has a pin on a restaurant that was already demolished. The pin is still there, but it points to is no longer a valid place. So, if a programmer tries to access or write to this memory that has already been deallocated, it can lead to unpredictable behavior, program crashes, or even security vulnerabilities. Buffer overflows. A buffer overflow occurs when a program tries to write more data into a fixed size memory block than it can hold. Because C and C++ don't have built in boundary checks, the extra data overflows and overrides adjacent memory. This is like pouring water into a cup. The cup doesn't stop you when it's full, it just spills over and ruins everything nearby. That's buffer overflow in simple language. No boundary checks, data corruption, and major security threats. Double free. A double free bug happens when a programmer accidentally calls the free function or delete function twice on the same block of memory. This can corrupt the memory management data structures, leading to further memory issues and crashes that are incredibly difficult to trace. This is like canceling a movie ticket twice. The system goes, wait, what? And everything crashes. That's when Java creators at Sun Microsystems said, enough. They designed a new language that could manage its own memory, keep your programs from crashing, and run anywhere, whether it's Windows, Mac, or even a smart fridge. And just like that, the world met Java, the language that made coding not just easier but also smarter. This was the birth of one of the most powerful programming languages, one that changed the way software is built and revolutionized the tech industry. In the next video, we will explore the superpowers that made Java unstoppable, the features that made it smart, secure, portable, and loved even today. So stay tuned for the next video. Hit like if you enjoyed the chaos. Share and subscribe for more such fun story filled lessons. Until then, let's keep learning and keep growing together.